Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Cardano. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native Cardano token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The Cardano token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. A panel of fintech specialists at personal finance comparison site Finder has high expectations for Cardano's Ada going forward despite the coin currently being in the doldrums. The specialists expect Ada to spike to $2.70 by the end of this year as it proves to be the best performer among its peers. Finder's prediction comes as the Cardano network successfully implements a major update for Plutus scripts. Finder's panel attributed the poor price performance to a slew of factors such as the lack of market share based on total value locked, market volatility, DApp exploits, and the United Kingdom's Ada ban. However, they believe the coin is set to see an explosive recovery. The panel includes NDAX CEO Bilal Hamoud, CoinFlip founder Daniel Polatsky, Arcane research analyst Vettel Lundy, Bitcoin Reserve CEO Nick Oreski, and Genesis Block Thai Limited Managing Director Chloe White. University professors across Australia, London, and England also offered their observations. The 33-person industry panel says Cardano is likely to reach the coveted $2.70 mark by year-end. The cryptocurrency is valued at 90 cents as of publication time. A $2.70 target represents over 168% more upside for Cardano in the coming months. In fact, 10.3% of Finder's panel harbor the opinion that Cardano will be the best performing alternative cryptocurrency this year. The panel also forecasts Cardano will reach a lofty $58 in 2030. It's worth mentioning that the panel is more bullish on Cardano's Ada this year than it was last year when they predicted the cryptocurrency would be worth $26.50 by 2030. The Cardano blockchain implemented one of the most important upgrades this year. Previously, improvements were made to memory limits per transaction. There are also per block limits in both CPU units and memory units. Input-Output Global, its development foundation, shared a YouTube update video a few days ago, where the director of Cardano architecture John Woods confirmed that the latest update increased the memory unit limits in every new block. In addition, Cardano's block size was expanded to 80 kilobytes. In simple terms, Woods said Plutus developers are now able to create scripts that do more and also put more scripts into Cardano's bigger blocks. Plutus scripts basically refer to Cardano's smart contract development language and execution platform utilizing the programming language Haskell. Cardano now has 14 million memory units on Plutus. This is a more than 39% increase in the memory resources for Plutus scripts, Woods stated. It remains to be seen whether the latest update on the Cardano mainnet will be the catalyst that propels the Cardano price to the $2.70 projected by Finder's industry panel. The public blockchain platform Cardano declares that it has doubled the payout for white hat hackers and bounty hunters that can identify vulnerabilities or bugs in its smart contracts blockchain. The firm has revealed that this 6-week promotion, which will close on March 25, aims to keep its businesses and customers safe. Cardano started 6-week promotion recently and doubled the reward for bounty hunters and hackers to find vulnerabilities in the Cardano ecosystem. $20,000 is the highest amount platform has offered to hackers for discovering critical bugs in the network, starting from February 14. Similarly, hackers identifying the minor bugs in the Cardano nodes will receive a low amount of $800. On the other side, bounty hunters discovering critical vulnerabilities in the Cardano wallet will get a payout of $15,000 while $600 reward for those who uncover less critical vulnerabilities in the wallet. In August 2021, the foundation partnered with the white hat hackers platform, HackerOne, a vulnerabilities management firm that uses hackers to find flaws and vulnerabilities to secure the financial ecosystems from attacks. Previously, the firm offered $10,000 to find critical vulnerabilities in its network while $7,500 for identifying critical weak points in Cardano wallet. To boost the security check of its network, the Cardano Foundation has now doubled the bounty reward for hackers to uncover vulnerabilities in its blockchain. Cardano has been one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market over the past few years. The time has come for its further expansion in the coming years. This virtual currency and blockchain network promise to change the way developers and network participants interact with blockchain networks. Indeed, Cardano wants to simplify, speed up and reduce the cost of using the blockchain network for any user. In the following sections, we will look at all the details about Cardano and why we think 2022 could be a good year for this digital currency. Let's now focus on the fundamental analysis of Cardano. Cardano is working to offer new scalability solutions to crypto participants. Decentralized finance and interchangeable tokens have become very important parts of the blockchain market. The goal is to enable developers to find a stable and scalable blockchain that could handle more bandwidth without worrying about fees and transaction time. In order for blockchain networks to become widespread, they must process thousands of transactions in a matter of seconds, and this is something that blockchain networks have yet to do. Cardano may become one of the first blockchain networks that can solve these long-term problems affecting the cryptocurrency market. Let's now focus on analyzing Cardano prices for the coming years. It is impossible to make a clear prediction of what might happen. Over the past few years, we have witnessed the expansion of Cardano and the achievement of the highest positions in the cryptocurrency market. But investors would like to know what could happen in the future and in the coming years as the market continues to grow. Cardano is expected to continue to grow. It is difficult to predict how far the Cardano price can go. However, we can compare Cardano with other blockchain networks. If Cardano reaches the market valuation of the upcoming financing, the Cardano price may rise to $2.50. Comparing Cardano with other blockchain networks does not mean that the price can move in this direction. This is just an easy way to understand what the price of Cardano will be at a certain market penetration. With the wider adoption of Cardano, it is possible that Cardano will continue to move higher, and this is highly possible. Now it's time to focus on Cardano price forecasting. The prediction of the Cardano price will depend on fundamental and technical factors. That's why we are conducting the necessary analysis for people and investors to understand what could happen to this virtual currency in the coming years. In the following sections, we will take a detailed look at what can happen with Cardano and how the market can develop. It is important to understand that these are just simple estimates. We are not financial advisors. This is for educational purposes only.